Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another video. As you can tell by the title, you know what this video is about. So I will be opening and reviewing some custom press-on nails. But before we get into that video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club, yeah. All right, y'all, let's get into what you came here for. So before we get into the details about the nails, this wig I have done an unboxing and review for on my channel. So I will put that in the card so you all can check it out. And I will be coming back to update you on this unit as well as the other one in that video. So I petitioned my Facebook audience and asked them if they knew of any black women that did press-on nails. I got a lot of comments and a lot of people were mentioned, and you know, I went to their pages and see like what kind of work they had, what they offered, looked at their pricing and all that other stuff. So I found somebody, hallelujah, because I knew for my wedding I wanted to have my nails done, but I don't go to the shop and get my nails done. I'd rather just go buy some press-ons and put them on myself. And I was just gonna get some regular ones that you can get like at Walmart or beauty supply store or whatever. But I was like, for my wedding, I want something that'll last longer, that's more durable, that's not going to fade, because the ones from like Walmart and stuff like that from Kiss, they're good, but they're just they're thinner than the custom nails that I got. And I figured, you know, I'll save money rather than sitting down getting my nails done every few weeks, every 4 weeks or whatever, and whenever I want to change them, I can. One of my Facebook friends recommended Nails by Nay to me. I will put her information on the screen and I will be sure to have it in the description box. And I was creeping on her website for a while before I committed and on her Instagram, but when I went to her website and her Instagram page, I just really liked her work and the stuff that she had. Like, all the people that were recommended were good, but it was just something about Nay's page that was just boom, like it just popped out to me. So I was like, I'm gonna go with her. And I really wanted somebody good because these are gonna be my wedding nails. Like, I only plan on doing this once, my first and last wedding, so I wanted them to be right. And then she also had the option to order a few sets in one box. So I thought that was perfect, so I can get my wedding nails and get some additional sets that I could wear after the wedding. And the process went so well. Like, she got back to me in a timely fashion. In the emails, she was clearly communicating to me like what she would do for what price range, and was asking me what I expected and what I wanted to know what my budget was. And for this, I sent her some pictures that I had on Pinterest, and I'll put them on the screen. And I sent her the ones that I had posted on Facebook, and like, this is my inspiration, this is the vibe that I wanted to go for. And I told her one set, definitely want something cute on the ring finger because that's going to be my wedding day set. And she did not disappoint. So I ordered the opulent box, and I got a custom opulent box because she freestyled. This was not on her site or anything. It's not like, oh, I'll pick this box, it already has these colors. She does have a sizing kit for you to order. So she does have a sizing kit, and that's another reason why I wanted to do custom nails, because the ones from the store, none of the nails really seem to fit because I have such a wide and long nail bed. So I was like, I've never ordered nails from her before, so I wanted to do the kit. So it actually came in a box, and then the pack is right here, and all of the nails are numbered. And after I fitted my finger under each nail, I realized that my nails don't fit into any of the categories like small, medium, and large, so I had to get custom sizes, which is not an additional charge, but I thought that's better because now when I order nails, I know what size I am, I know what's going to fit me, and I don't have to like guesstimate or anything like that, and I can just order 10 nails and not have to order a full set of 20. So I ordered the kit, and then once I realized my sizes, that was when I started communicating with Nay, and she just got back to me so quickly. She was so efficient. There was only one blip in our communication where she sent me an email that was in our thread, but I never got it. But she was so kind and she like sent me a screenshot of what she had sent me, because I was like, I hadn't heard from her in a while and she had been like communicating with me or whatever. But she sent me a screenshot and I was like, I don't know why that didn't come through my mailbox. So it was nothing on her part, it was just a technical error. But she communicated with me and she just let me know that you know, my nails would be coming, blah blah blah. And I told her once I got the nails, I was like, your communication was on 1000. Like, all my question was answered, there's no confusion. She was the bomb on that aspect. And I remember I saw her post a box of nails and I was like, those are my nails. I can tell, they look like the pictures, like inspired by the pictures that I sent her. But anywho, so I ordered an opulent box. I got coffin shaped nails. So came in the package like this. This is a box that it came in, and that's her logo. The nice dirty box too. All right, and then you open the box. Well, inside the package, this didn't come in the box, but it comes with this kit here. So you have a cuticle pusher, a nail file, and a small buffing cube. And then you also get instructions on how to prep your nails and how to apply them. And then of course one of her business cards with her logo. So I told her, you're definitely gonna have a repeat customer. And then additionally, I ordered the nail glue from her because I wanted something that's gonna last long and be sturdy, because I plan on wearing these for a couple of weeks, maybe longer. But professional nail glue, this is an additional cost. But I was like, I'm getting her nails, might as well get her glue. All right, now the moment you've all been waiting for. Nails by Nay, opulent custom box for Nikea. OMG. So we have this clear pink set up top with this iridescent foil, and then we have this taupey mauve pink here with the Swarovski crystals on the ring finger and also on the pointer. And then we have this baby pink with this like bead encrusted finger, and then we have some chrome on this nail. And then we have this white set with this accent floral nail. And I love them all. Can y'all guess which ones I'm wearing for my wedding? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yeah, I am. So I'm wearing these. And so they're just nicely up here on this little strip. And these nails, like, they feel so much, oh my god, they feel so much thicker than like the nails you would get from Kiss. But yeah, there we go. I know you all can't like see, but they're just so beautiful. I'm just like so in love with these nails. Nobody can tell me nothing. I'm already sick of myself. Like, they just look so good. Everything's evenly painted. There's no crack, there's no chips. I just love it. I love it. And they're just on like a little sticky strip to keep them in place like that. And I feel like, you know, since these are such quality nails, I could probably get one of those little buffers, and if there's any glue inside, like buff the glue out and wear them again if I take care of them. I haven't worn them yet, but I am going to show you all how I prep my nails and apply these. Let's get these nails together, honey. All right, y'all, here I am on my wedding day, setting out my wedding day nails, which I was so excited to put on. Here is the kit that Nay sent me with her card, and also you see the instructions there. I also ordered the professional nail glue. We have a wooden cuticle pusher, a nail file, and then a buffer cube. I've already given myself a manicure and trimmed down my nails, So I'm just going to take the nail file and shape my nails and to kind of buff in the sides of my nails to ensure that none of it is sticking out from up under the press. Then once I do that, I'm going to buff the surface of each nail. This helps get rid of any oil or any moisture on the nail. And also I noticed when I apply press-ons, they apply better when the nail bed is a little bit rougher. And I used both sides of the buffer. So one was a little bit of a heavier grit, so I used that one first, and then I went to the side with the finer grit just to ensure that I was smoothing out the nail surface and really getting rid of any excess oil. You could also use nail polish remover to get rid of any excess oil on your nails. Now I'm just gently taking the cuticle pusher and pushing back my cuticle from my nail bed. This will help when you apply the nails to make them look more seamless and not just look like they're sitting on top of your finger, because when you apply it, you want to actually slightly push the press on underneath the cuticle. And again, remember, being gentle, you don't want to stab into the cuticle and cause yourself to bleed. Alright, next step here, I'm just opening the glue. It actually came with these precision nozzle to apply it. So I just cut that off and then stuck the precise nozzle in there. So this will help me to get glue only where I need it so I don't make a mess, because I always make a mess. And I'm just taking the nails off of the little sticky strip that they came on inside the box, so that kept the nails from falling when they were being shipped to me, and it kept them in order. So I'm just placing them here, and they're already in the order that I need them to be in. So I'm keeping them in that order. And so I know once I just pick one up, I can apply it on the correct finger. And remember, this is a custom size. So this set is made custom to fit my hands. So I'm applying the glue with the nozzle all over the nail. And then I'm taking the nail and actually, like I mentioned before, pushing it underneath the cuticle and then holding it on my finger for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure that it adheres to the nail bed. Now I will say that as I was applying these, some of these did want to like pop off, and I think it was because I wasn't applying enough pressure to make sure that it's on. But as you can see, this one here is very secure. And as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm actually wearing a set of nails that I put on for my honeymoon that I've had on for over a week now, and I only had one come off, and that was because I hit it on the floor, and that was the only reason it came off, and I just applied glue again. This nail here had the crystals on it, so I wanted to make sure that I applied enough glue and also ensure that I applied enough pressure, because this nail of course would be heavier because of the crystals on it, and I didn't want this nail to come off. So as you can see, I'm holding it down just a little bit longer than the other one. But I'm just going to repeat the same process. Apply the glue, apply the press-on underneath the cuticle slightly, and then just applying a little bit of pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure that the nail is secure. Alright, as you'll see here, I have all the nails on. I did go back and file some of the sides because I have really wide nail beds. So I did have to go back and file some of the sides down because they were just sticking out a little bit, but it wasn't a lot. And here are my nails all done. I will say, when you see my wedding pictures, on my, I think my left hand, I lost the pointer finger because I picked up a bag and it popped off. I don't know what happened. And luckily that tragedy happened before the ceremony even started. And I also had brought all of my nail sets with me, so I was able to replace that pointer finger. So one of my pointer fingers is white. But yeah, these nails were so beautiful. I only kept them on for a few days because I changed them after the wedding, because this is really a glam set. So I'll probably apply them again. And I did apply a different set for my honeymoon, but I just love the way these look, the way they came out. People kept asking me, like, who did your nails? Where'd you get them done? And I was like, these are press-ons, honey. Okay. Like, Nay did such a beautiful job. But thank you so much for watching today's video, beauties. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.